Baboons are some of the most famous and interesting primates in Africa. They live in large social groups, have developed intelligence, diverse behavior, and a complex hierarchy. In this article, we will take a closer look at baboons, their classification, lifestyle, behavioral characteristics, nutrition, reproduction, relationships in a troop, as well as their interaction with humans and place in the ecosystem. Baboons belong to the genus Papio of the monkey family. They are one of the largest representatives of the Old World monkeys. There are several species of baboons: Anubis, olive baboon; Hamadryas baboon, sacred baboon; Gelada, yellow-bellied; Charka and Guinea baboon. They all differ in appearance, habitat, and behavior, but have many common features. Baboons inhabit vast areas of Africa, from dry savannas to forested mountainous areas. Some species, such as Hamadryas baboons, are also found on the Arabian Peninsula. They are extremely adaptable and can live near human settlements, which sometimes leads to conflicts. The appearance of the baboon evokes interest and respect. They are strong, muscular animals with a massive head and a characteristic elongated muzzle reminiscent of a dog. Males often have pronounced fangs, especially in Hamadryas baboons, where they can reach impressive sizes. The weight of an adult male can exceed 30 kilograms, and in some species, 40 kilograms. Females are half as much, which is due to their role in the hierarchy. Baboons lead a diurnal lifestyle. They wake up with the first rays of the sun and immediately begin activity, moving, feeding, social interactions. They spend the night in tall trees or rocky cliffs, where it is more difficult for predators to get them. At night, the group huddles into a dense mass, providing warmth and protection. One of the most striking features of baboons is their social structure. They live in large groups, from several dozen to 100 or more individuals. There's a strict hierarchy within the group. Males fight for dominance. The hierarchy among females is more stable and is passed down by inheritance. Females often form related clans in which mother and daughters support each other. The hierarchy of males is flexible. A strong and experienced male can lead the group, but his position can be claimed by younger males or those united in a coalition. Fights for status are not uncommon, but open aggression is minimized by demonstrating poses and sounds. This helps to avoid injuries. The diet of baboons is varied. They are omnivorous. Their diet includes fruits, roots, leaves, grass, seeds, insects, small animals, bird eggs, and even carrion. In arid areas, they are able to dig up roots and tubers from under the ground. Some baboons hunt small mammals, such as hares or baby antelopes. They can remember the location of food and water sources, coordinate the movement of the troop in accordance with the season and crop yield. Their ingenuity helps them get food even in difficult conditions, and near human settlements, they can steal crops, sort through garbage, or open containers, often showing real ingenuity. Reproduction in baboons is also associated with a hierarchy. Dominant males most often get access to females, but sometimes females take the initiative and can choose less aggressive or attentive partners. In some species, such as the Anubis, females can demonstrate their readiness to mate by changing the color and swelling of the skin in the rear part of the body. Pregnancy lasts about 6 months. The female usually gives birth to one baby, which she immediately cuddles to herself. The baby clings to the mother's fur, and as it grows, it begins to actively explore the world while remaining close. Females are very caring and rarely leave their cubs unattended. In a troop, cubs can interact with each other, play, and also interact with other adults. Baboons play an important role in the ecosystem. They spread plant seeds, regulate the number of insects, and become prey for large predators, lions, leopards, hyenas. Their behavior affects other species, especially in areas where they dominate among primates. Baboons are not just animals, but complex creatures with an inner world, society, and traditions. Their lives are full of struggle, care, love, hierarchies, and unexpected kindness. They live on the edge of wildness and reason, reminding us how diverse and intelligent the animal world can be. Studying baboons helps us to better understand not only nature, but also ourselves. Their behavior in a troop is partly reminiscent of human structures. Friendships, conflicts, leadership, help, jealousy. They teach us to respect the animal world and see it as a reflection of our own history.